Hi guys, I'm going to share a little gadget I got recently. I bought a new portable thermal label maker. Actually, I have had an old one, but I heard there is a new version, so I got one. Now I'm going to do the unboxing. Let's look at what's inside. It is called D11 portable thermal label maker. Compared with the old one I got, the new packaging is much smaller and the design is much neater. I kind of like it. Here's the brand, NIIMBOT. I think it's pronounced NIIMBOT. There is less info on the back. As you can see, the only useful info is the battery capacity. Here is a label saying white, means the machine is white obviously. There are 4 colors of the machine actually, white, pink, green, and black. I like pink and white, that's why I got these 2 colors. Now let me open it and see the accessories. There is 1 user manual, 1 label maker, and 1 charging cable, so no change actually. Fortunately, no change of the price. Please note that there is no plug included, so if you need to charge the machine, you need a wall plug. The machine is very handy, just a palm size as you can see, and it's really lightweight. Open the cover. Oh, there is a free tape inside. It is the white one. Here shows the size of the tape, and there are 210 pieces of labels. The tiny reminder here, no ripping of this label. When you load the tape, please remember to make some labels left outside the cutter and to make the sticker side facing down towards the on-off button. For me, the app is easy to use and it is fun to discover all those functions. The reason that I like this machine is that it's so different from the traditional label makers with ink. So I have to admit that I'm a little bit obsessed with this gadget, as I made lots of labels at home for organization and marking. And my mom thinks it's cool, so I'll give this new one to her. All in all my family love it, so I recommend it to you. If you also need labels, you can find this little gadget on Amazon or other online stores.